Your yard is the perfect place for spiders to hang out. Check out a few tips to keep spiders out of your yard. 1. Maintain your yard. Remove items where spiders can hide, including leaf litter, grass clippings, and unused flower pots. Keep your lawn and vegetation trimmed. Knock down any webs you see. 2. Minimize moisture. Spiders like damp areas, so minimize moisture in your yard. Keep your gutters clean, remove things that collect water, and repair or replace leaky hoses or spigots. 3. Get rid of other pests. Spiders feed on other pests, so you'll want to bug-proof your yard. Remove attractants, including trash and fallen produce from your garden. Turn off your outdoor lights or switch to warm-hued bulbs. 4. Plant spider-repelling plants. Add a few plants to your yard that can help to deter spiders. Citronella, rosemary, and peppermint are a few plants known to help repel these pests. 5. Create a protective barrier. Spraying the perimeter of your yard and home with a plant-based insecticide spray can help to control spiders. Our yard bug spray and home bug spray kill spiders on contact and provide residual repellency. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.